Hello, responsible day traders. Today is Monday, August the 10th, 2020. I am Lindsay Duff. This is Responsible Day Trading. I've already done my trading this morning. I got out of my first trade very, very early. It's a little hard to hold for the long haul right now, even though they're big swings. Some of these are just big bars. And remember, when you use the 233, it can give you really good signals that things are going to stop moving in that direction. So you have to be aware of when you're letting that smaller chart get to you. My first trade I did, because I only took about 4 points in total out of it, and it probably dropped for about 20 points. So, it is what it is. At that moment, I could feel the frustration building up a little bit, and I'm going crazy on the water, so I had to step away. Then I came back, waited for the right pullback, did take the long, felt that I got out a little bit early, but now that I'm watching it on the sidelines, I did the right thing. I set this morning's intentions from 9:30 to 10:30 to be trading. I took a 30-minute break in between and did a meditation and then came back to it, which was great. It worked out well. You want to see what it looks like? Let's go check it out. There we go. 3 trades, 1 loss, 2 wins, 8 points. This first trade took that exit a little bit early, did still have some strength to the downside. There was a lot in favor of this continuing down. I was a little frustrated and I did step away. I came back about right in here. I attempted to get in a little bit early, waited for the push to finish and got back in here. It did push a little bit higher and it gave reasons to exit. Do I see this going up further? There's a possibility of it, right? We may see this go up higher. I was discussing this morning with the daily chart. We're getting very, and I don't want to say dangerously close, but we're getting pretty close to that area, which was once a high, and we know what that means. Those familiar areas usually get people a little skittish and make them want to turn around. So we're getting up there. The BBs are getting a little bit white. We may see this come back down around the areas of the EMAs. And if we do, we'll be prepared. What we got going on in our lives? Well, we got responsible day trading with the 25% lifetime discount. Use that code lifetime25 and you'll be able to get a 25% discount. Now, with that being said, responsible day trading, what we're doing over there is we're working to be able to help our students get funded. I have chosen to pay out of pocket for any student who comes through and goes through the course for the 75 Freedom account. So if you are a current student and you're looking to do that, hit me up. If you're looking to become a student, let's chat about it. Just send in an email to info@responsibledaytrading.com and we'll definitely get back with you on that information. I don't know if you know this about me, but I take on scholarship students. It has been quite a while since I took on a scholarship student. That would mean a totally free course. We would work together through any kind of issues and build you up until you are ready to roll live day trading. I've been given so many gifts in my day trading career that it would be absolutely insane for me not to give back. We are going to have class this Saturday. What we're going to be talking about is using multiple areas to back up your move. We'll have that out on Saturday. I hope all the students can join me. If not, it's recorded and it's posted in the growth and development group. So we're going to go ahead and let you check out the video. So hope you enjoy and let me know if you got any questions. So let's check out that daily chart really quick. This might be giving us a drop here in a moment. I'm just looking at how we're really creeping up on that all-time high that we've had. If we look, we are not far from it. Now, one of the things though that is kind of making me question things are these BBs turning a little bit white. So that may be an identifier in pulling this back a bit. We are really far from the EMAs. We have not made a new high in the MACDs, not since back here. So a snapback is definitely something that we could anticipate. Sure does look like it wants to push down. The BBs are starting to get white, but I think we got a little bit more room to run. I'm gonna give this a quick shot right in here. It's reaching down towards that area. BBs are still white. Okay, there we go. I like how it's pulled right into that EMA. Look at that drop right there. Starting to see a potential for a bit of a pullback, so I'm just paying attention here. I'm gonna go ahead and close out. I do think this could pull back and push down more, but I like that. I want to give this one a shot. Yeah, okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, what a pain in the tush, huh? There we go. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this all the way up here, but I'm not gonna expect it to exactly go all the way up there. There we go. I was following that risk just a little close. Maybe one more tick behind here would have been a little more conservative, but it's really attempting to make a reversal bar with some distance to go. So it has a good pullback ability. It's kind of hard to determine who we think is going to control this market today, the bears or the bulls. And I am taking very quick, I guess I'm in that, you know, as I discussed before, there's two different mindsets. Quick and clever is about all I got in me today. I don't have the hold for the long ability thought process going on. So I think with that, I'm just going to call it a day. It's only 3 trades, 1 win, 2 losses, 27 minutes here. I'll put them on here. Okay. Let's check it out. So 8 points, 3 trades. I'm okay with that. May have been a little skittish on that first move. Jumped the gun a little bit on that second one. And took it home with the third. And just like that, we're going to wrap up Monday morning. So 3 trades, 8 points. I'm pretty happy with it. Was I happy with my first trade exiting early? I wouldn't say so much, but that's okay. It's not the end of the world. I went and meditated for a little bit. I came back to it, saw it popping up, and I was just like, all right. Part of what was dealt at that moment and just what I decided to do. Remember, we still have that 25% lifetime discount. Also, if you're looking at becoming a student with responsible day trading, get in touch with me because we are able to take on a little bit more with having more coaches, and we're also able to help you to get funded. So that is our next big step. So if you got questions, let me know. Otherwise, guys, we're going to go ahead and call this a Monday. I hope everybody has a great day. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.